In this tutorial, we will guide you through creating a connection to Snowflake using Stacksync. Start by clicking on Create New Connection, then click on the Snowflake logo. For the next steps, we will refer to the Stacksync documentation. Let's proceed. We need to authorize Snowflake to connect to your account. Stacksync uses key pair authentication, a more secure way to connect to your Snowflake. This is the Stacksync public key. You'll need to provide this to your Snowflake user that will be connecting to Stacksync. Stacksync also requires your Snowflake account ID. Let's find it in Snowflake. Find your current Snowflake account ID, the one you're logged into. Copy the account ID and return to Stacksync. Now, let's copy the public key and return to the tutorial. To grant Stacksync access to your Snowflake, you need to create a user in your Snowflake and set the public key from the Stacksync app. Copy the provided snippet and return to Snowflake. This script creates a user in Snowflake that can connect to Stacksync. For this tutorial, we'll connect Stacksync to a test database. Feel free to modify this to suit your needs. Now, let's paste the Stacksync public key. This script will grant all necessary permissions for Stacksync to connect to your Snowflake. Let's run all the queries. We have successfully created a Stacksync user which can now connect to the Stacksync test database. Let's return to Stacksync. Review the information. The default schema is public, but you can grant Stacksync access to any of your schemas. Let's authorize the Snowflake app and create the connection. And there you have it. You've created your first Snowflake connection with Stacksync. Congratulations!